This video is a short introduction to Scratch. Scratch is a popular free program that introduces programming to kids by graphical means. First, we'll add a background, which can be a blue sky or something. Then we'll add a sprite. I've taken building and the other one is a parrot. We'll place it properly in the main screen. Then we'll take a change x by -10 block, which will repeat it for 50 times. And then place it properly in the code block, which will go for the buildings. And then we'll take a set x to 250, which will go over the repeat block, and we'll put it into a forever block. And the most commonly used block, which is the when flag is clicked, will go over the whole code. Then in the parrot, we'll add again the when flag is clicked block, which is the most common block, and we need a parrot to move its wings. So we can change this costume by adding parrot B and wait for 0.5 seconds, which will go over the first switch costume block. And then we'll again take a switch costume block, parrot A, and wait for 0.5 seconds and put it in a forever block. Then now it's ready. Our parrot is moving its wings.